Skin me again! Huh!
Okay, I promise.
But that same day at the afternoon, a big bad wolf came into view. Into the field, the wolf did creep to scare the boy and steal the sheep.
Wolf! Please come! Hurry! Hurry! It's not a game! Please come now! Run, run, run!
No one came to help this time. The wolf stole every sheep in sight. The little boy was very sad because he knew that he'd been bad. He decided there and then,
I'll never ever lie again.
the most important thing to do, always